Make a great choice today with 2015 C-MAX Hybrid. The Ford C-MAX Hybrid provides an upscale interior, quality engine performance, and fuel efficiency. In addition, the C-MAX offers passengers a spacious interior cabin and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, electronic stability control, fog lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.